Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 LTSC on unsupported hardware. No need TPM and Secure Boot. Go to your browser and search Windows 11 LTSC download. Click the first link. Now click x64 or AMD 64 edition to download the ISO file. I have already downloaded the ISO file. See here the system requirements of Windows 11 LTSC version. See here showing TPM and Secure Boot are optional. Let's check my PC support Windows 11 or not. Open the PC Health Check app. Click Check Now. Click See All result. See my PC does not support Windows 11 system requirement. Let's try to install Windows 11 LTSC. Double-click the ISO file to start installation Windows. Click Open. Click Setup. Click Change How Setup. Click Not Right Now. Click Next. Click Accept. Click Keep Personal File Only. Click Next. Click Install. See Windows 11 LTSC version install successfully and working well. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.